welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. In this video, I will show you how to make starch for clothes or fabric for laundry at home. How to make starch at home for your clothes and your fabric. It's a very easy and straightforward process. In this bowl, in the green bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of raw cassava starch. The starch, you can buy it from any local market or maybe in a supermarket. I don't know, but in Nigeria, starch is easy to find. You can find starch anywhere. Okay, so in this bowl I have about 1 cup of raw cassava starch, and the process of making this is very easy, like I mentioned. All right, and this is what 1 cup of raw cassava starch is looking in the bowl. Into this bowl, I will pour in about 2 cups of room temperature water. Now, this starch can also be used to make swallow, but the process of making starch as swallow is quite different from this one. Okay, this one is to make for clothes. Now what I am doing, I am dissolving the starch with the water I just poured into the bowl. Make sure you mix the starch and the water properly. Make sure it mixes well until it dissolves, so there is no lumps. All right, after you're done mixing your starch and the water properly, go in with hot boiled water. Pour the water on top of the starch. Just keep pouring it until it's set like so. When it's set like so, you know that the starch is ready. I have poured in about 5 cups of hot boiled water. Look at the starch, it's looking ready and looking good. I will just give that a stir and the starch is ready for use. Now this one cannot be consumed. This starch is for clothes. Okay, you can also, people use this starch as a glue. Yes, some people use this starch to gum posters, that's paper posters on the wall, on billboard and all of that. If you know how to use the starch as glue, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have used starch as glue, let me know in the comment section as well. So this is our starch for our fabric. It is ready for use. If you want heavy starching for your clothes, you have to go in with lots of starch. Okay, but if you want light starch on your clothes, you don't want your clothes to be very firm, you have to go in with more water to dilute the starch. Okay, so now I just poured in the starch in my laundry bowl, and I have also added some room temperature water. Now I'm gently dissolving the starch and the water, making sure it is properly dissolved. You don't want to have some particles of starch not properly mixed. Okay, look at this, it is well dissolved. If you feel it is not dissolved, go in again, shake the water, shake the starch, make sure everything is well combined, as in the starch and the water, they are properly mixed together. The reason why you have to mix it properly is if you don't mix your water and your starch properly, your clothes may have some kind of white particles on it when it is dry. Now this is one of my son's shirts. Okay, the shirt is washed and clean. All right, so all I need to do is to dip in the washed clean clothes or fabric into the starch. I have some more clothes to stash. Okay, so these are my husband's clothes. All right, so I'm going to dip them into the starch water until the starch and the water absorbs the clothes. Once I am done with that, I will take it out from the water, then spread it to dry. Allow your clothes to sit in the starch water for about say 30 seconds just so it absorbs, okay? And once that is done, remove the clothes from the starch. Hang your clothes like this, possibly preferably in a hanger, just so the starch and the clothes dry up properly. All right, allow it to drip dry. Do not squeeze your shirt, do not squeeze your clothes or your fabric. Leave it till it dry completely. Leave your clothes under the sun to dry properly, and once that is done, you can see the clothes looking all dry and you will hear this crispy sound like so. I hope you have learned how to make starch at home for clothes and fabric for laundry. Okay, it is very easy to make and quick to produce. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video if you can, and again in another video. Bye.